brindando ayuda en los espacios abiertos cuando así sea requerido.
The largest ships.
Of the facilities. For this reason, we kindly ask you to pay attention to the following instructions. It is prohibited to climb on benches and tables. Climbing the metal structures of the observation deck is not allowed. Smoking and using electronic cigarettes or vaporizers is prohibited. For safety reasons, we thank you for keeping the access stairs to the observation deck clear. We thank you not to place children on your shoulders.
Şu üstteki köprüyü açıyor olabilirler hocam. Şunlar açılıyor.
Panama was crossed by a major river, the Chagres, and 8 months of rain a year drenched the land. The tropical setting was beautiful, but for workers, it was also hot, humid, and remote.